Welcome to Alvinsa Studio, where we invite you to explore the extraordinary world of container home living. Today, join us as we embark on a journey to Carbonado, Washington, to discover an Airbnb unique container home with a deck and fire pit. In recent years, container homes have emerged as a shining star in the housing industry, offering a unique blend of style, sustainability, and simplicity. Today, we're exploring a delightful container home nestled in the serene landscapes of Carbonado, Washington. But before we dive into this architectural gem, let's touch on the rising trend of the Airbnb business, especially in the post-pandemic era. The pandemic has rekindled people's desire for escapism and a closer connection with nature. Smart entrepreneurs have tapped into this demand by turning to shipping containers as a quick and cost-effective solution for creating cozy retreats. Unlike traditional tiny homes that may take months to construct, shipping containers can be transformed into comfortable living spaces in just a few weeks. This speed and ease of construction make shipping containers an attractive option for those looking to enter the hospitality industry or simply own a durable and fast-built home. Now let's turn our attention to the star of today's post, a container home that has won the hearts of its guests on Airbnb, boasting a perfect 5-star rating from 34 reviews. This 2-story abode is crafted from 2 shipping containers, a spacious 50-50 container on the ground floor and a 40-50 container perched above. The clever placement of the upper container creates quaint 5-FT balconies at both the front and back, offering a cozy outdoor space to enjoy the surrounding nature. The exterior of the containers retains their natural color, giving the home a rustic and authentic vibe that's characteristic of shipping container architecture. However, it's the roof that truly steals the show. Designed with a raised and sloping structure, it not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the home, but also helps regulate the interior temperature and provides shelter for the balconies. Stepping inside, guests are greeted with a modern and stylish interior that contrasts beautifully with the rustic exterior. The decor is simple yet elegant, featuring a chic gray color scheme that creates a serene and inviting atmosphere. For those interested in experiencing this unique container home, it's available for rent on Airbnb at $152 per night. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat or simply curious about the world of container homes, this property in Carbonado, Washington promises an unforgettable stay. As the popularity of container homes continues to grow, they offer a sustainable and innovative solution for modern living. If you're considering a foray into the world of shipping container homes, whether for personal use or as an Airbnb venture, this charming abode in Carbonado serves as a perfect inspiration. Thank you for embarking on this journey with Alvinsa Studio to explore the unique Airbnb container home with a deck and fire pit in Carbonado, Washington. As you've witnessed the seamless blend of nature and modern comfort in this remarkable retreat, remember that Alvinsa Studio is committed to creating unforgettable experiences in every space we design. Whether it's a weekend escape or a longer stay, let us continue to inspire you with our dedication to innovation, hospitality, and the beauty of container home living. Join us as we embark on more adventures, crafting spaces that elevate every moment and create lasting memories for our guests. Until next time, may your travels be filled with wonder, relaxation, and the joy of discovery. Alvinsa Studio, where every stay is a unique experience.